you know? You know when your eyebrows just want to be their own individual? That is what's happening on my face right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christen Dominique. Welcome to my little home on YouTube. And today I'm gonna be doing a girls' night out makeup look for you guys. To be honest, it's been a while. It's been a long while. So I am allowing myself to take myself away from my work and my husband and just have a girls' night out with my girls. I'm really excited to do this because it honestly has been a while. So I'm gonna be doing this smoky golden turquoise eye look, and I'm also using a bunch of new products that I'm really excited to try out. Huda Beauty just came out with her new matte lipsticks, and then Persona Cosmetics came out with her new glosses. There's also the Sacha Buttercup setting powder that I personally haven't tried, but it's Amazon's #1 choice for setting powder, so I wanted to try it. I'm trying out the new Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. I have been eyeing this for a while. If you want to see how this makeup worked out for me, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So there's a lot of new products that just came out, and I'm so excited to try them with you guys. First, I'm gonna get started with the primer. I'm so excited to try this out. This is from Farsali. It's their first ever skin mist, and it's the rose gold skin mist. First of all, their rose gold elixir, the oil is amazing. I love it. Skin Tumbler, anything they come out with. My two favorites were definitely the rose gold elixir and Skin Tumbler. They have really amazing products for the skin. So I'm really excited to try this one out. It says this is a 24 karat gold infused hydrate, prime, and set. So we're gonna use this to prime our face and then set it. Okay. It smells amazing. It smells really, really good. It has like a citrusy, fruity, pineapple-y scent to it. It feels nice on the skin when it's on there. And I tried this a little bit earlier this morning to kind of refresh my skin. And it does kind of leave your skin a little tacky. Perfect for foundation. You know that it's going to stick onto the skin really nicely. But I haven't tried it with foundation yet, so we're gonna see how that works. But I really like how it makes my skin feel. I just don't like the way it initially sprays out. It's very aggressive. It's like, you know? Or maybe you just have to hold it further back. There you go. That's what it is. I just like to be really close and personal with my face. I don't know why. So now I'm gonna get into the foundation. I don't know if I've ever used this foundation before. This is from Lancome. I always hear people say this and I think I'm gonna butcher it, so I don't even know if I wanna say it. Okay, I'll say it. Teint Idole Ult. Okay, I don't know how to say it. Just forget it. But it's the Lancome 24-hour transfer resistant foundation. It has an SPF of 15, and I heard it has high coverage. So we're gonna try that out today. This is the shade 320 Bisque W. Definitely this foundation isn't as full coverage as I'd like it to be, and it is oxidizing to a little bit more of an orange shade. It's in the family, that orange family. I can feel it moving towards there. Definitely didn't think it would be that color. It's okay for now. I think this is good. Even though it's thinner and you can still see all the imperfections, it's just like a light, even coverage. It feels like this foundation could get cakey pretty quick. So I'm gonna put it to the side and I'm gonna start on the eyes. I'm gonna be using the Natasha Denona Gold palette. So pretty. So I'm gonna pick up this light taupe color right here and I'm gonna mix it into this mustard brown. We're gonna work that into the crease. My eyes have been kind of dry lately. You can even see the skin kind of flaking up. So I'm really praying my eyeshadow comes out nice and smooth today. I've been testing a lot of products lately. Dominique Cosmetics, we're working on some new fun, exciting things coming in the future. So my eyes are really dry and just like, whoa. Girl, you need a break from makeup, but you know what? It's time to put it on right now. So I'm gonna take this little tiny brush from Morphe. It doesn't have a number on it, but I'm just gonna take it into those same shades and I'm gonna work it on the lower lash line. And we're going all the way inside to the inner corner. Just wanna hug the inner corner. We're just gonna make a little happy hug all around the lower lash line. Bob Ross vibes. So right now I'm just gonna work on getting that dimension in my eye, make it really smoldery. So I'm gonna take this brown down here and this brush right here from Morphe. It's the M456. And we're gonna work this into the outer third of the lid. You know what's kind of weird? These eyeshadows, they look really light. Let me just show you again. I wouldn't expect this color to come off this dark. Wow, it's really smoky. I was gonna add like a darker brown, which I'm still gonna do, but like, do I even need it? I'm gonna work it just halfway, just because we already have like that little soft dimension going through there with the first 2 colors. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the darkest brown right here. I'm gonna take that on the outer corner. It's almost like a black. I'm gonna keep it right there. I just want definition and depth right in that little spot. We have the drama going on. Now I'm gonna pop on just a little bit of a color. So I'm gonna take this one right here and just pop it on my lower lash line, like really tight. Ooh, I'm getting Egyptian vibes right now. So now I'm just going to cut the crease with a little bit concealer. Honestly, I'm not like super cutting the crease. I just want a nice, clean, semi-cut crease. I'm gonna take my handy dandy Nars concealer. Thumbs up if you watched Blue's Clues back in the day, because that was my jam. So I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm gonna work that right here on top of the concealer. I may have to use my finger to get more pigment, just because it's not going on very easy with that brush. Honestly, it's easier just with your finger. It gives more payoff. So it's not like there's no payoff at all, just you have to use your finger or the right kind of brush. For the inner corner, there's these really pretty topper kind of shadows. They're kind of see-through, but they're just so beautiful. I think these 2, yeah, these 2 are really pretty, but I wanna use this one right here. And I'm gonna take that on the inner corners just because it is the most beautiful topper I have ever seen. It's very soft, very sheer, but when the light hits, all the magic happens. I'm also gonna put it right on the brow bone. And we are gonna have to fix that brow. We'll do that later. You see how it's very sheer, but it's still very impactful. Just a different type of eyeshadow. I really like it. I may be going a little bit too crazy with the glitter today, but I don't care because girls' night equals glitter to me, so it's just a lifestyle that we're doing right now. So now I'm gonna put on some concealer. I definitely feel like this foundation has oxidized, but oh, look at that. Okay, maybe I need to go lighter with this foundation, but I'm thinking that the concealer is gonna save the day. For concealer, I'm actually gonna use 2. This one's the Dior Forever Undercover in the shade 022. Don't remember using this before. We're gonna put this one on first, just to see if the color's right. And then with the Makeup Forever self-setting one, I'm just gonna take that on the outer part of the concealer. It almost looks like a cupcake with frosting, right? Like an abstract cupcake. I wouldn't normally put this much concealer, but I feel like this concealer has to save my face a little bit. So I'm gonna set everything in the center of my face and also want to remove any unwanted oils that I have. So I'm gonna use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is actually Amazon's #1 choice setting powder, so I had to try it. And so I'm gonna take my beauty blender right here. And I like that it's that yellow tone banana color, because anything that's in that banana shade family is going to brighten the under eyes really nicely and just brighten your face. And I'm all about the brightening right now, especially right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that underneath my eyes. It's very light too. I can already feel like it's not thick, pretty light, and I'm gonna just use that to kind of set right there, and everything in the center of my face is just going to set and stay in place. So this powder comes in 3 shades. Buttercup No Color, it's like translucent. Buttercup Light, which is this shade right here for light to medium skin tones, and then Buttercup Regular, which is actually for medium to dark skin tones. And it's very mattifying, which is something I'm going for right now. I'm going for that matte look today. I like that airbrush look it's giving me. It's very soft and just soft focused and smooth. I like that. It's also a cruelty-free brand, which I am loving. All right, so now that I'm set in place, I'm just gonna contour really quick. My contouring is pretty much the same that I've been doing. So I'm just gonna contour really quick, and I'm gonna be back with a snatch face, snatch the nose. I actually just realized that I forgot my lashes and eyeliner, so we're not done yet. But I'm gonna set everything in place with the Farsali to make it skin-like. So I'm gonna go back into the eyes. I have these new eyelashes right here from Jada's Beauty. The box is so beautiful, but these are the 3D faux mink lashes, and the box is just so gorgeous. So I'm gonna take them out. I didn't even want to take them out of the box. Very light and wispy, and they come in a nice packaging too. I'm just gonna pop them on really quick. and I'll be right back. So I am back with lashes. Now we're gonna move on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna be using this new Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. It's like a highlight and there's some blushes inside. I am not typically a fan of shimmery blushes just because of the texture on my skin. I've said this so many times, but I'm gonna try it out for this video. I think I'm gonna try out Glow Cream Base. Oh, it's a cream. Is it really a cream? So, I wonder how this cream's gonna be on top of the powder. I'm gonna go into Glow Cream Base and I'm just gonna work that on my cheekbone. I'm gonna have to go into an actual powder blush. I don't trust myself using that. So I'm gonna take the Cheek Leader palette. I'm gonna take Coralista and just work it right on top. Ooh, that's pretty together. And then for highlight, I'm gonna take this orange shade right here. It's like a peachy orange shade. And I'm gonna highlight with that. I've never really used a peachy orange to highlight, and so I'm really interested to see what it's gonna look like. And it does not look bad at all. I like it. It's way more pink, like way more orange in the pan than what it looks like on your face. And then once I'm done putting my blush and highlight on, I'm just gonna go over with the Beauty Blender just to make sure everything is blended. For the lip liner, I'm gonna take the Tatcha A Cherry Blossom. As you can tell, she went through some things. So I'm gonna just outline my lip with this. And then Huda Beauty just came out with some new matte shades, the matte lipsticks. And I really like her packaging. I want something more of the pink. I think this is like the pinkiest one. It's called Pool Party. Oh, and this one's nude. It's called Joyride. I think I'm gonna use that on top of Pool Party. And then I'm gonna take Joyride right on top. It's a really matte powdery kind of look, which is what they're going for, but it like clings a little bit to your dry spots. But it's a really pretty package, really nice bullet. I think it's a really cool design. To add some gloss to the lips, Persona just came out with her new glosses. So I'm gonna take Peach. It smells so good. And I'm gonna take it right on top. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to do just to get ready with you guys for my girls' night. I am literally wearing this makeup out tonight and I feel like it's not gonna budge or move because the amount of coverage is insane on my face. I don't think it's moving. The powder has really locked it in. It's in place for the rest of the night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't checked out these videos on the side, and make sure to check them out. Before I let you go, I just wanna remind yourself that you need time for yourself. Just know that. You need to hear that. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye, dollies.